Hello! To adjust color scheme on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then go into display and brightness, and right here we have the color scheme, and here are some values. The recommended one and the default that is applied is the vivid, which adjusts colors based on the content displayed. Here is also the saturated, always enhance colors, standard, which contrasts will remain constant. And here are advanced settings, but I'm not really into it, so I'm just gonna show you all the values, but not gonna talk about it actually. And here's the color temperature, which changes the tint of the display. And here's the red one, the blue one, green one, as you can see. And you can also change it to the warm tint, cool tint, and this is the custom value. And here's also the default one. So let's take a look at these advanced settings. Here's the color gamut, P3, sRGB. Here's the RGB color space, and this basically, here you can change the values of the RGB, as you can see. Pretty interesting. And here are some HSV color space, and yeah, basically that's it. You can discard changes and restore to defaults if you by accident change something. So that's it. That's basically how to adjust color scheme. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.